I was born in Grande Prairie and I've lived here my entire life. I got into this industry in 1993 and I've owned this store since 1996. I don't work with the flooring myself anymore. My warehouse guys are so effective, they don't even let me on the cutting machine anymore. So, yeah, so luckily I just get to do a lot of paperwork and deal with people, and I get to do kind of the fun stuff. Sometimes I drive the forklift just for a hoot, but I haven't done it for a long time, so I'm not that good at it anymore. A lot of people require flooring in a hurry for various reasons. Number one, they've had a disaster in their home. They're going to fix their home up for resale. They've got a rental property and they need product for that. They're building a new house and they need product for that. So that's the basic idea. People come into Flooring Superstore and they're trying to get things accomplished. They want to get things done. And having everything here in the store makes it very easy to accomplish that. We are a flooring store just like any other flooring store. The major difference between what we do and what they do is the piles and piles of inventory we've got sitting here, so that you can get in and get out very quickly. Whether you take it home yourself or whether we install it for you, it can be looked after much more quickly, which makes a lot of people really happy. Get it off their mind, get it out of their life. Let's get back to our lives. That's what people are looking for, really. At the end of the process, if you talk to people and they say they're happy, it's because they were treated with respect. They were given the information that they required so that they can make an intelligent choice. And then things went through in a timely fashion. That's what makes customers happy.